Hey everyone, today I'm excited to review a powerful tool called Opus AI, which can easily transform one piece of video content into a lot of short form video content, saving you time and effort in content creation. So if you find editing to be tedious, you're gonna love Opus AI because you no longer have to spend a ton of extra time creating your social media videos from your long form content. And who doesn't want to reduce eye strain from staring at a computer for hours and hours doing manual editing? Honestly, what I love about Opus AI is it's a game changer for solo creators. So currently I edit my own long form and short form social media content. And honestly, the last thing I want to do after I've poured energy into creating a long form video like this one that you're watching right now is to go back and re-watch my own content again and again just to make a few social media clips. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. I share video production and video marketing tutorials to help wellness business owners create a memorable brand with inspiring story-driven videos. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. I'd love for you to be a part of this community and get notified when I release new videos every week. All right, let's dive in and see how Opus Clip works. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is sign up for Opus Clip, either on their website or you can download the app from the App Store. And you'll see I'm on the website. Now you can paste a link here from YouTube, from some other websites, but I recommend uploading your original video file. The reason why is because it's going to be higher quality, right? Once you upload it to a video site, it's actually going to reduce the quality of the video. So that's my personal preference. Remember, these things are rendered over and over, so you want to reduce the processing time. Now I'm uploading a YouTube tutorial. This is the same video that I uploaded to YouTube. It's going to take just a couple minutes for Opus Clip to work its magic and generate some short form videos. All right, so you can see here that it did generate 8 different variations from that one video file that I uploaded. Now I'm not going to go through each one. I've given you an overview, and you can see that I was a bit critical about the fact that AI cannot recognize the different sizes of graphics for the different aspect ratios. So for portrait, landscape, square, etc. I think the AI needs to do a bit better job of resizing. But for those of you who are really just shooting cell phone videos, talking to the camera, I think that you're going to find that especially if you upload your file to Opus Clip twice, you're going to get 16 variations, and you'll definitely be able to use like 1 or 2 short videos that you could use for social media. And just remember, you do need to upgrade to Pro if you want to be able to keep these clips, because they're going to disappear after 3 days with the free plan. And then there are some pretty cool features like the scheduler. You can see here, I can auto post to my social media accounts once I link my accounts using the Pro plan. Okay, so you can see here that it actually has generated the video, and now I need to choose my template. So you want to scroll through here and look at their brand templates. You can save your own templates. You can have caption presets. Now let's look at these captions here. I know there's a certain style that I like. And an important thing here, I find it interesting that Opus is actually putting the captions pretty far down on the video. So remember, when you upload your short clips to a social media website, all of that text can potentially be cut off. So I don't know that Opus has taken that into consideration. So I want to look for my captions, and you can adjust it after you've generated your short clips, but let's just get what we like from the beginning. So probably something like this. I like the pop line caption preset, okay? What I want to share with you is how you can actually tweak your video, do some small edits on the video, even with the free plan. So you're going to go in here to edit clip, and then you're going to go to design, and you see how we have all kinds of settings here. So let's go through that. Now, generate B-roll. That means you can add some generic footage. This is generally stock footage. You do have to upgrade. Now, this is in beta. I'm very excited to see what direction this will go with Opus Clip, because a lot of us do need B-roll, and it can be very time consuming searching for that stock footage online. I did test it out with the Pro plan, and I don't really see a big use for it yet. You know, it didn't look like it added a lot. It's a lot better for me to find the appropriate footage right now. Okay, so let's scroll down. You have a toggle for auto emojis. If you don't want the emojis that they put in, you just turn this off. And then you can go here and you can change your caption style presets, the ones you chose at the beginning. You can change to a different style. Now, you also have some other options with your captions. You can have 3 lines or you can have 1 line. You can change the way that the captions appear on video. So, putting a box around your captions. You can explore and see which of these options you like best. Now, what I think is really great is you do have an option to change the caption position. As you can see here, you can change it to the top, the middle, the bottom. So depending on the content of your video, you might want to position your captions in a different place. Now, with the Pro plan as well, you do have an option to export an XML file and bring that file into Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. But that is a great option. Honestly, I love to tweak the position of my captions because, again, the worst thing is when you upload to social media and your captions are cut off by all the other text that is on the screen. Okay, so you can change. I'm going to change that back to middle, and then I'm going to go here. You can change the font of your captions. That's really awesome. And by the way, Opus actually has a free caption generator. So you can go to the same website and you'll see that you can use their caption generator for free. So you can see they've integrated all of these features into Opus Clip. Really useful though. And so I know I definitely do not want my keywords highlighted with green and yellow. That is so tacky to me. It looks very cheesy in my opinion. So I want my brand colors. I'm going to choose my blue. I love to have my blue and my orange. That is from my branding. All right, now let's go back and look at all of the variations that Opus Clip gave us. Okay, so you can see it gives us a title for every single clip. Now let's go ahead and play this. Hey everyone, today we're going to explore 5 essential tips to take your smartphone footage to the next level. If you are curious how you can take your footage from amateur to cinematic pro, keep watching. One thing I liked about it did do a good job in the beginning of introducing the topic. Now, another thing you might notice here at the beginning, I have a lower third. You see that text coming in and the lower third of the screen, that's my name that is actually in the YouTube video. So that's something to keep in mind. So you want to export the same video that you're putting on YouTube, except one caveat, remove your lower thirds. This, that really bothers me. I don't want to see text cut off on the screen, my lower thirds cut off. So remove those lower thirds before you upload to Opus Clip. All right, let's look at the second one. Tip number 1, master. So I see another problem with graphics. See, this is something that is very tricky when you're taking a landscape video and you're making it into a portrait video. This is one of the reasons why manual editing is so useful. The computer, the AI doesn't know what to do with some of my footage here. So this is my intro with music that I have in my long form YouTube video. And now all of it is being cut off. It hasn't been resized. That looks really bad. Sorry, guys. I would have to manually edit that out. So I think that was effective in terms of content. We just need to really tweak with the graphics and make sure that our graphics don't get cut off. So don't settle for one static angle. Don't settle, be creative. Experiment with different perspectives to add depth and visual interest to your shots. Don't just stick to eye-level perspectives. Experiment with high and low angles to add depth and intrigue to your footage. You can lift your smartphone above your head or squat down low to get footage from different heights. You can also experiment with shooting from a side view so your footage isn't always on a horizontal plane. Okay, so again, one thing I'm noticing here is a resizing issue. This is tough for me to see, you know? I feel like the AI at this point should have a way to more effectively resize different clips in a long form video. So in other words, you'll see there are certain clips that I did shoot in portrait, in vertical mode, that are in the long form video. However, I'm not going to have it the same size when I make my short form video. For instance, this clip right here is a vertical clip, but I'm going to stretch it out because I'm making a vertical video. You get what I'm saying? I want it stretched for the whole screen because that is how the video was shot. When I need to put that type of vertical video in a landscape video, which is what the YouTube video is, I have to keep it a smaller size. But why would I keep it a small size when the portrait video, the short video, is the same size as the original footage? Maybe I'm confusing you guys, but I'm just saying, let's stretch this out. Make it look as good as possible. And there you have it, folks. Opus Clips is really a game changer for content creators, allowing you to effortlessly turn one piece of content into 10 or more pieces of content. So if you're looking to save time and maximize your reach, I highly recommend giving it a try. And as you saw in the demo, it's not perfect, but I can imagine the software is going to get better and better. It's so amazing how far our technology has come, right? It's just going to continue to save us time to get our content ready for various social media platforms. So thanks so much for watching this tutorial, everyone. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite feature of Opus Clip? And be sure to like this video because it greatly helps out the YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe to my channel to be a part of my community. And thank you so much again, everyone. Have a wonderful day.